don't know if you have anyone in the area, eastbound 8 Mile from Van Dyke. Little white Durango that's been flying around.
Try to stop it here. 8 region.
8 region.
Frank 57.
That's fine.
There it goes. Eastbound 8 Mile.
Eastbound 8 Mile.
Yeah, we got it. Eastbound 8. Shut our lights off. We'll have troops to call it.
Through Cushing, still eastbound.
Through Cushing.
And failed to make the curve at Kelly into the trees and the median. Got 1 out on foot, 2 out on foot, 3, 4 out on foot eastbound from Kelly towards the Home Depot. They're behind the gas station, southeast corner, continuing eastbound.
10-4.
Officers are out with 1. I got 1 continuing eastbound. He's wearing all red. He's in the parking lot. I'm not sure what that restaurant is.
Adam 40, or EMS for the 3rd. He's got a injury from a car accident to the back of his head.
10-4.
That's 23's on the way.
10-4. Just confirming there's 3 in custody or 4?
4 in custody.
Copy. 4 in custody, 046.